Top 3 Beautiful Country. Number 1. Italy. Italy is renowned for its extraordinary beauty, encompassing diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and picturesque cities. 1. Natural landscapes. The Amalfi Coast. Known for its stunning coastal scenery, steep cliffs, and charming villages like Positano and Amalfi. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Tuscany. Famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves, Tuscany is the epitome of rural beauty. The region is also home to historic cities like Florence, Siena, and Pisa. Lake Como. Surrounded by mountains and dotted with elegant villas and charming towns, Lake Como is a favorite destination for its serene beauty and luxurious ambience. 2. Historical and architectural marvels. Rome. The capital city is a treasure trove of ancient history and architecture. Iconic landmarks include the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Pantheon, as well as the Vatican City with St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Pompeii and Herculaneum. These ancient cities, preserved by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, offer a fascinating glimpse into Roman life through their remarkably intact ruins. Alberobello, famous for its unique trulli houses. This town in Puglia offers a distinctive architectural charm. San Gimignano. This medieval town in Tuscany is renowned for its well-preserved towers and historic town center. Italy's beauty lies not only in its landscapes and architecture, but also in its vibrant culture, history, and the warmth of its people. Each region offers unique experiences, making Italy a timeless destination for travelers. Number 2. Switzerland is renowned for its breathtaking beauty, offering a stunning blend of natural landscapes and charming cities' majestic Alps. The Swiss Alps are perhaps the most iconic feature of Switzerland, offering majestic peaks, lush valleys, and pristine lakes. Famous peaks like the Matterhorn, Eiger, and Jungfrau draw climbers and nature enthusiasts from around the world. The picturesque villages nestled in these mountains, such as Zermatt and Grindelwald, provide stunning views and excellent opportunities for skiing, hiking, and mountaineering. Scenic lakes. Switzerland is home to numerous beautiful lakes, each offering unique landscapes and recreational opportunities. Lake Geneva, bordered by the city of Geneva and the UNESCO-listed Lavaux Vineyards, offers stunning views and elegant promenades. Lake Lucerne, with its crystal-clear waters and surrounding mountains, provides a tranquil escape. Lake Zurich is another gem, offering vibrant city life alongside serene natural beauty. Charming villages and cities. Swiss villages and cities blend historical charm with modern amenities. Lucerne, with its preserved medieval architecture and the iconic Kapellbruck, Chapel Bridge, is a cultural delight. Bern, the capital, boasts a UNESCO-listed old town with cobbled streets and Renaissance fountains. Montreux, on the shores of Lake Geneva, is famous for its jazz festival and lakeside charm. Interlaken, situated between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, is a hub for adventure sports and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding Alps. Switzerland's diverse landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage make it a top destination for travelers seeking both natural beauty and cultural experiences. Whether you're drawn to its towering mountains, serene lakes, or historic cities, Switzerland offers a unique and unforgettable beauty. Number 3. Japan is renowned for its profound beauty, a blend of natural landscapes, cultural heritage, and modern aesthetics. Natural beauty. Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak, Mount Fuji, is an iconic symbol of the country. Its snow-capped summit and symmetrical shape make it a popular subject for art and photography. Cherry blossoms. Sakura. Every spring, Japan transforms into a sea of pink with the blooming of cherry blossoms. Hanami, the tradition of viewing cherry blossoms, is a cherished cultural event. Autumn foliage. The fall season in Japan brings a spectacular display of red, orange, and yellow leaves, particularly in places like Kyoto, Nikko, and the Japanese Alps. Cultural beauty. Traditional architecture, from ancient temples and shrines, such as Kyoto's Kinkakuji, Golden Pavilion, and Fushimi Inari Shrine, to Edo period castles like Himeji Castle, Japan's architectural heritage is magnificent. Modern beauty. Urban landscapes. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka are a blend of ultra-modern skyscrapers, neon lights, and cutting-edge technology, creating a dynamic and futuristic environment. Fashion and design. Japanese fashion, from traditional kimonos to avant-garde street styles in Harajuku, is celebrated worldwide. Japan's influence in design extends to architecture, interior design, and even product aesthetics. Cuisine. Japanese food is an art form in itself. From the intricate presentation of kaiseki meals to the simple elegance of sushi and the hearty comfort of ramen, Japanese cuisine is visually appealing and delicious. Japan's beauty is multifaceted, combining the serene and the vibrant, the ancient and the modern. This unique blend of elements creates a country that is both captivating and continually inspiring to visitors and residents alike. Like and subscribe for more video.